This Granitestone 10 inches non-stick frying pan with mineral and diamond coating aims to make your cooking smoother. It promises long-lasting non-stick performance. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even delicate fish without them sticking. The pan is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It helps you create delicious meals without the usual fuss. Plus, the Stay Cool handle is a thoughtful touch. It keeps your hand comfortable and safe while you cook up a storm. The Granitestone 10 inches non-stick frying pan with its special coating stands out. It is tougher than some other non-stick pans, and it resists scratches. This means you might not need to replace it as often as cheaper options. Cleaning is also a breeze because food slides right off. You can even put it in the dishwasher, which saves you time and effort. Moreover, this pan is oven safe, offering you more options for cooking. Imagine starting a dish on the stove and finishing it in the oven, all with the same pan. For those who worry about what their cookware is made of, the Granitestone 10 inches non-stick frying pan with mineral and diamond coating is non-toxic. It is made without harmful chemicals like PFOA. This gives you peace of mind while you cook for yourself and your family. While some brands like Tefal offer similar non-stick pans, the added mineral and diamond reinforcement in Granitestone aims for extra durability. There are often differences in the longevity and cookability between brands. Consider this pan a solid option for everyday cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick, long-lasting, mineral coating, diamond coating, stay cool handles, oven safe, dishwasher safe, non-toxic 10-inch size, frying pan, skillet, for cooking. Cons: may lose non-stick over time. Some food may stick, can scratch easily, handle may get hot. Not the most durable, uneven heating possible, quality may vary, potential for peeling. Warranty issues reported, not always as advertised features. Non-stick 10-inch size, mineral coating, diamond coating, long-lasting, stay cool handles. Oven safe, dishwasher safe, non-toxic, frying pan. This 10-inch Granitestone frying pan has a special non-stick surface made with minerals and diamonds, so food won't stick easily for a long time. It has a handle that stays cool when you're cooking and is safe to put in the oven and dishwasher. The pan is also made without harmful stuff, making it a good choice for cooking. This 10-inch Granitestone frying pan is designed for non-stick cooking with a mineral and diamond coating, aiming for long-lasting performance and easy food release. It features stay cool handles and is safe for oven and dishwasher use, also being made with non-toxic materials. However, the non-stick quality may decrease over time. Some food might stick, and the pan could scratch easily. There are also concerns that the handle might get hot. The pan may not be very durable, and uneven heating is possible, with the overall quality potentially varying and some reports of peeling and warranty issues, suggesting it might not always live up to its claims.